Hello, my dear students. So, in the last class, I have started with the new chapter called aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. Basically, these are the functional groups. So, as I had told in the last class, I will be discussing first with aldehydes and ketones, and followed by the carboxylic acids. So, in the beginning, we have seen aldehydes and ketones. What do you mean by an aldehyde? What do you mean by a ketone? What is the general formula for aldehydes? What do you mean the general formula for ketones? So general formula for aldehydes is RCHO, whereas the general formula for ketone is RCOR dash. And also has told the common group which is present between an aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acid is a carbonyl group. CO group is referred to as what? Carbonyl group, and the carbon present in carbonyl group is sp2 hybridized. And also has started with respect to the preparation of aldehydes and ketones, right, by different methods. So I'll be continuing with respect to the preparation of aldehydes and ketones, right. So in the last class we have discussed with respect to by at the end of the class the method we have discussed is by hydration of alkynes. Now we go for the next method of preparation, which is an important named reaction, right? So the process by which we prepare aromatic aldehyde. Now remember, up till now we have discussed the preparation of aliphatic aldehydes or aliphatic ketones. Now I am going to discuss with preparation of one of the aromatic aldehyde. So in the examination they may ask explain the preparation of aromatic aldehyde, right? So at that time you should remember the Rosenmund's reduction reaction is called as what? Rosenmund's reduction reaction. It is a method used for preparation of an aromatic aldehyde. So you know aromatic is nothing but a benzene containing aldehyde group. So that is called as what? Benzaldehyde. So what is Rosenmund's reduction? This is a reduction which is mainly used for preparation of an aromatic aldehyde in presence of palladium barium sulfate catalyst. Palladium barium sulfate catalyst and in presence of hydrogen gas. Right. So how do you prepare this? Now I'm going to take an aromatic benzyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. So what is benzoyl chloride? C6H5 COCl. C6H5 COCl. This is called as benzoyl chloride. When this is made to react with hydrogen gas in presence of palladium and barium sulfate catalyst, we get benzaldehyde, that is C6H5CHO, right? So hydrogen here, what is the reaction here? There are two hydrogen atoms. One of the hydrogen reacts here to form HCl, so the byproduct is HCl, and remaining hydrogen it forms CHO, right? So it forms corresponding benzaldehyde, right? So general question for you, my question is uh, palladium in barium sulfate is referred to as palladium in barium sulfate is referred to as dash catalyst. I think you are studying in first year, right? Based upon that, I am asking you the question. So palladium in barium sulfate is referred to as dash catalyst. So just message me your answers or comment your answers in the channel or in the group, right? So I'll be waiting for your answers. So Rosenmund's reduction is a reduction where the reducing agent is palladium in barium sulfate in presence of hydrogen gas. A benzoyl chloride is converted into benzaldehyde in presence of palladium and barium sulfate catalyst. Sometimes in the examination, they will ask, they'll be giving you the reactant, they will give you the product. They will ask what is A or what is catalyst A, right? So at that time, you should remember these reaction, or they will give you the full reaction and they will ask name the reaction. So name the reaction means it is a Rosenmund's reduction reaction, right? So Rosenmund's reduction reaction is mainly for synthesis of the aromatic aldehydes. So I think this is clear, right? So we'll go for the next, right? Okay. The next method is from nitriles. The next method is preparation of aldehydes from or ketones from nitriles. Now, what is nitriles? RCN, right? So this group we commonly called as what? Nitriles or alkyl cyanide. This is also called as what? Alkyl cyanide or commonly known as what? Nitriles. Now you know what the number of bonds between the carbon and nitrogen is. So just this is also one of the question, right? What is the number of bonds between the carbon and nitrogen, and how many sigma and how many pi bonds are there between the carbon and nitrogen bonds? You should just answer this question. I repeat my question. ನನ್ನ question ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮತ್ತು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ನಡುವೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೈಟ್ರಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಹೆಸರೇನು, ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಸೈನೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಫನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೆಫನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಫನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಫನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಫನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. Now, when an alkyl cyanide, so I think the number of bonds is clear here only. A question ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ, so number of bonds ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So the number of bonds between carbon and nitrogen is 3. So ಈ 3 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಮತ್ತು ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, you can answer me, right? Okay, so Stefan reaction ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, when alkyl cyanide or nitrile is made to react with stannous chloride in presence of hydrochloric acid. Now this is undergoing a partial reduction reaction, right? Complete reduction or partial reduction reaction. So it forms an intermediate product. Intermediate product ಅಂದ್ರೆ really triple bond ಇದ್ದು, it is broken into single double bond, right? So which upon further reaction with hydronium ion. What is hydronium ion? H3O plus is referred to as what? Hydronium ion. So it results into formation of RCHO, right? So it forms what? RCHO. Remaining will be NH2, that is amine will be formed as ammonia will be formed as a byproduct. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ simple reaction ಐತಿ, RCH ಒಂದು oxygen, right? So ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನು NH ಮತ್ತು 3, so it forms NH3, right? So it results in the formation of an aldehyde. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ aldehyde ಗೆ example ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ here R will be substituted with CH3. So here also R will be substituted with CH3. So it is CH3CHO. There is nothing but acetaldehyde. It forms what? Acetaldehyde. So particular IUPAC ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ethanol. So it forms what? Corresponding ethanol. Now this reaction is referred to as what? Stefan reaction. In preparation of ketone ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ next the same alkyl cyanide, right, that is or nitrile is made to react with RMgX. RMgX, I think you are already studied with alcohol. That is called as what? Grignard reagent ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ? Grignard reagent. ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಮಿಕಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋನಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಹೈಡ್ರೋನಿಯಂ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್, ರೈಟ್. ಇದು ದ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ RCO R dash ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next it forms a product called as ammonia, and along with the formation of Mg and halogen with OH. So it forms what? Corresponding ketone. So explain the preparation of an acetone from methyl cyanide ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ CH3 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ R dash CH3 ತೋರಿ. Mg you can take here any of the halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, etc., right. So ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ we get corresponding acetone, right. So this, I think this is clear with respect to the preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alkyl cyanide or from nitriles. Okay, so now we'll go for the preparation of some aromatic aldehydes. I have told, right, preparation of benzaldehyde and acetophenone. ಈಗ benzaldehyde ಅನ್ನೋದು it is an aromatic aldehyde. Acetophenone ಅನ್ನೋದು it is an aromatic ketone, right. So common group of acetone, aromatic acetone is acetophenone. What is acetophenone? We'll see what is the formula. Yellow study preparation ಅಂತ. Okay, so first we'll go for preparation of benzaldehyde. In the preparation by oxidation of methyl benzene. So methyl benzene ನೋಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ methyl with benzene. Now CH3 C6H5 CH3 is referred to as what? Toluene, right. So when toluene is made to react with the bromyl chloride, no, ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇದು bromyl chloride in presence of carbon disulfide, it forms what? Intermediate product called as chromium complex. ಇದು ಬರೀ rearrangement, right. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? HCl ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right. So remaining group will be attached to the carbon, right. So ಇದು rearrangement ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, right. So it forms an chromium complex. ಇದೇ ಕ್ರೋಮಿಯಂ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋನಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೋಮಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಭಾಳ ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗ. ನೇಮ್ ದ ಕೆಟಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ in preparation of benzaldehyde from toluene. So your catalyst used is chromium chloride, right, in presence of carbon disulfide. And this reaction is mainly known as Itard's reaction. ಇದು ಭಾಳ important dear students. So ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಸಲ exam ಒಳಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ, and this is a common question which is asked in the examination. Explain Itard's reaction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ. So ಆ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ Itard's reaction is nothing but preparation of benzaldehyde from toluene ಅಥವಾ methyl benzene, right? So ಅದರ catalyst ಯಾವುದು chromium chloride. So ಭಾಳ ಸಲ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಇದನ್ನ, or ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, they have given the reaction toluene as a reactant and benzaldehyde as a product. Identify A ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಅಥವಾ ನೇಮ್ ದ catalyst ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ, and ನೇಮ್ ದ reaction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ 2 marks ಗೆ. So hence Itard's reaction is conversion of methyl benzene or toluene to benzaldehyde, right? So by using a catalyst called as chromium chloride in presence of carbon disulfide, right? The carbon disulfide catalyst alla, it is chromium chloride which is a catalyst in presence of carbon disulfide. Then the second method of preparation of an aromatic aldehyde is by using the same toluene in presence of chromium trioxide, right? This is in presence of, again, it is made to react with acetic anhydride. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ acetic anhydride at a temperature of 273 to 283 Kelvin. Again, there is a formation of an intermediate complex, that is chromium complex. Again, further, when it is heated in presence of hydronium ion, we get corresponding benzaldehyde. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೋಮಿಯಂ ಟ್ರೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸಾರಿ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಕ್ರೋಮಿಯಂ ಟ್ರೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್, and acetic anhydride in presence of acetic anhydride. So again, it is preparation of benzaldehyde. So otherwise Itard's reaction ಯಾವುದು, this is named Itard's reaction. Okay, so next we'll go with respect to uh, by side chain chlorination of methyl benzene followed by hydrolysis, right? So the next method of preparation of benzaldehyde, again by using chlorination process ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ there is addition of chlorine, right? So toluene is made to react with chlorine in presence of sunlight. It forms a benzal chloride, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, HCl ಆಗತ್ತಾ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಉಳಿತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH2 ಒಂದು Cl, so it forms CH2, sorry, CHCl2, right? So it forms CHCl2. So in presence, and further this is made to react with water at about 373 Kelvin. It forms corresponding benzaldehyde reaction. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ hydrogen, it forms add chlorine ಅದ, add hydrogen ಅವ, it forms HCl. Is oxygen ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, it attached to CHO, so it forms corresponding benzaldehyde. And this is the commercial method of manufacture of benzaldehyde. So commercial methods are ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ benzaldehyde preparation ಒಳಗ, right? The next reaction is by using Getterman-Koch reaction. So ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ Getterman-Koch reaction is very important one. This is one of the named reaction. ಇದು ಕೂಡ preparation of benzaldehyde. I think ಇದೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಒಳಗ they are asked with respect to Getterman-Koch reaction, what is the catalyst ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ catalyst ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅಥವಾ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಎ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ so here benzene, it is made to react with carbon monoxide plus HCl. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾಯಿತು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೊನಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ HCl in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and cupric chloride. So these are the catalyst and in presence of carbon monoxide and HCl. ಸೊ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ಇದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು, ರೈಟ್? ಈ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ HCl ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So remaining is what? CHO. ಈ CHO ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, it attaches here in the benzene, so it forms what? Benzaldehyde. So this is important and simple reaction. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು time they have given these two reactant product, identify A ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ, right, and name the reaction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So hence Getterman-Koch reaction is nothing but preparation of benzaldehyde from benzene. So name of the reaction ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? Getterman-Koch reaction ಅಥವಾ synthesis, right? Okay. So with this, we have seen with respect to the some of the preparation of the aldehydes and ketones, right? So in the next class, we are going to discuss with respect to the physical properties and its chemical properties. Then we'll go with respect to the carboxylic acid. So ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೂರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದೀಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, and also don't forget to see the videos again and again, right? So ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮಿ, right? So ಆಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ಮೀ ಆರ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕು ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬು ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಾ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಈಸ್ given to you when you are seeing through the YouTubes, right? So hope with this we end with the today's class. So if you have any doubts, please message me in the group. So ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ we are studying with respect to the preparation of aldehydes and ketones remaining part. So in the next class we will continue with its physical and chemical properties. Okay, so wishing you a good day, right? Okay, thank you.